Okay, so here is the thing. The food trailers and the food truck, which is over here, what they have in common, many things, but also wheels. When I bought the food truck over there, in the first 3 hours on the road, I had an explosion on the rear tires, so I had to buy the tires. It was my first lesson years ago. Now 2 years ago I bought that one, and I've made this one last year, actually not even 6 months ago. What I learned: Forest River build the build them as a cargo, so the manufacturer bought these ones as cargo trailers. That one is 16 feet, 18 feet, tandem wheels over here. But what's interesting is that both of them, they have 205, so they are STs, so special trailer wheels, both of them. But 205 75 15. Can you see the stance of the wheel? How it looks like? Now is at 47 psi from a maximum of 50. So I cannot go a little bit more. Now the trailer is not filled. I can put more into the refrigerator and also inside. So the problem is that I drove off-road-ish, let's say, off-road basically, on Harstin Island to Cow Down Festival, and I learned it. I was so afraid that I'm gonna have a puncture because the terrain was so bad. The balance, anytime when the trailer stays on an uneven surface, there are pretty much issues. I mean issues because the tire, I don't know how to say it, compresses too much. So I feel like the trailers are too heavy for the tires. I can drive them like that. I can drive them absolutely no problem. Not on this surface, but definitely on asphalt, it will be absolutely no problem. Probably. Um, I'm not okay with just mediocre and just fine. So I'm replacing them. I'm replacing the wheels. I'm replacing the tires. And yeah, let me show you what I got and what's going to happen. And because I have questions, and I also need some answers, some confirmations. I stopped to Lacey Food Truck Depot to check the tires on all the trailers. So two of them looks like mine. Maggie's and Mi Pueblo looks different, like premium. Let's go. I know for sure Maggie has a bunch of equipment inside. So what they have over here, 225. So ST225 1715. Perfect. So this is what they are using. Great. The mouth. Probably this one is heavier. It's less heavier than mine, but and it has what, 225 17 15. So this one it's again probably load rating E. I don't know, I'm gonna check it. In builder on this one, so probably the same tires. The tires are Rainier, oh, same like mine. So ST225, oh no, 225. So mine are 205, the old ones. So this one are a little bit bigger, and load range D. So load range is D over there. And Mi Pueblo Mexican food truck, ST as well, no surprise over there. Provider ST225 75 15, okay, and load range E. So great, all of them, it's they are great. I feel like, I know it's just about the tires, but I feel like
the aspect of the wheel, it's also important in the context of the whole trailer. So they have also a plastic wrap over here. Not gonna take the plastic wrap till the tire guy. Painting the tires is absolutely not a mandatory thing, but to me I feel like the overall look of the trailer and the details makes the whole difference. I'm using this pen marker white paint from Amazon. I'm leaving the link in the description below. Super easy to apply. This is just the first hand. I'll do twice. It already looks good, but I'm gonna do it twice. 20 miles of drive, 40 miles of driving this morning, flat. Bam. Uh, I was expecting this kind of stuff. I was definitely expected. I have the tires over here. I have the rims, which they have to be installed probably tomorrow. It's Sunday today, but yeah, I'm always saying load C, load range C for this kind of trailer not working. Not even for this one. This one is a little bit smaller, 2 feet smaller, but even so. Okay, it's happening. Bam. The tire was inflated at 46 psi, and now the plan is to replace them. Start to replace them. I have the new ones already over there, and yeah, it's time. Never done it. The process should be pretty simple. Moving the truck forward. It seems like I missed. I have to go back. Not too difficult. The tire is squished. I'm inflating it a little bit just to because I felt it's too squished. So now it's at 47 psi, and the jack is lifting the axle. Replacing the tire, it was pretty simple. Taking the lug nuts off, put them on. It's also the center cap that you don't have to. I didn't. I was about to forget to put it back, and now it's time to do the second wheel. As you can see, it's already looking nicer. Taking the lug nuts off right now, and the wheel. The same with the axle. I'm lifting the axle just probably 2 inches, 3 inches, not too much. Now it's time to go back. Yeah, it's... The process was not too difficult, as you could see. The only issue, this one being a little bit taller, I had difficulties on with the thing over here, the elevator or the ramp or how you call it. This is what it is. Fantastic. It helped me a lot. I'm gonna leave a link over there in the description, and I use the jack over here, and let me show you exactly. So everything was on this one, on the axle directly, and try to put it as close to the springs over here, so somewhere over here. Not too difficult. For my first time, I would say that I'm pretty happy with what it is. Here is how they were looking before, and this is how it looks right now. Pretty sexy, right? I like it a lot. I like how it stands. It's a little bit taller. It's handsome.